Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss on another program of Java and where string classes will be used. And before I start this program execution and program construction, I will show you some data types introduction because I will prepare another video on data types on Java. So basically here I introduce some little briefly. Int is 4 bytes of data size in the data types format. And you know what is the data types. Data types are the types of variable declaration where the value is kept in a variable with specification of the types. That is, integer is for numbered format, and short is also a number format, long is also a number format for both positive and negative number, and byte is also a number format for positive and negative number with limitations, and I will discuss it later. And next number is float, which is supporting the decimal places, and also the double, which is supporting maximum uh, decimal places. So these are the things, and next is character types, where ASCII characters are uh, stored, and string classes where large characters are kept and declared also. So these are the basic functionalities of data types, and now today I will just show use of string data types. This is a string class and string data types. So this is just short introduction. Now next video in the another video I will show the data types in detail. So now I will create uh, I will create a new program file for string class public public class string str. Suppose s is capital, because class name should be capital as per specification, and curly bracket start for this. Next, main class may be declared for this. Public static void the signature line main, and the string array for the arguments, and you know the array is declared with the symbol. Suppose I will declare string array for greet equal new no space equal new string. So this is and the size may be included in the block bracket, and the square bracket, string square bracket greet equal new string square bracket. This is the declaration of array. Size of the array is placed within this square bracket, and suppose this string variable is declared as with the size, and named is greet. Now I place the greet with the value 0 value. You know array value is started always from the 0 position, so array 0 will be suppose stored as welcome. And next, suppose I copied and things for next line declaration, line of declaration, and position of value of this array will be 1, and suppose this hold the value 2, and next is suppose del here. The array position is suppose this is 2. So in the array size I will declare the value of greet is 0, 1, 2 position, and the value will be kept as welcome to Delhi. So I can call it to show the values with a for loop, how the for loop are created. So I declare a for loop here for with a gap. Here the for loop is created as, and the for loop has three parts with initialization part we declares now variable, and limit where this incremented value of I will be reached, placed, and increment of I plus plus. So this three portion is for the standard portion uh, loop, and system dot out dot print WLN, which is a standard signature line for output to the screen, and the value of greet, and the position is I position will be shown according to this for statement. So I position will be changed and value will be so here. So this is the main for loop, and now I will save it with the name of class name str. So extension will be .java, as I have told already, and it should be all files because the category is .java, and folder is this Java folder. So now I will compile it from the command prompt cmd. The cmd should be the Java folder will keep the class variables. So I should go to the uh, folder, Java folder, where I have to store this file, class file, because without this folder the Java file will not be executed. The compilation and the run of Java file could not be happen. So just Java C for Java compile of the file str.java, and I will press enter uh, to uh, to compile the file. It is processing this compilation. Yes, it is okay because there is no error in this line. So I think it is ready to be run as str, because the after compilation only the file part, name part of this file class is required. So the file class is str. So run this file and press enter. Yes, the output is screen here. The console screen shows welcome to Delhi. That is, I have placed this string in a string array, which is given as output with the help of for loop. So that is the second program I have to show you, and the construction is I will repeat it again. See here, there is a public class str, which is the main class of which contain the main class called public static void main, and the main within the main string main method, there is the uh, array of string variable name greet with the position of 0 to 1 2, and declared as size 3. So greet 0th position I placed it the value welcome, second is 2, and greet 2 is a value Delhi. Now this value will be rotated with the help of for loop for to displaying on output screen with system.out.println, and the value is greet, and I is initialized from 0 position, and I is incremented here, and limited up to 3. So for loop executed, then output screen is show greet I value, that is I from 0 to 1 and 2. Hence the output is saved. This file is saved as .java and compiled with the command javac and run with the command java space str, and output is here. Thank you.